Welcome back, my awesome people. In today's episode, I'll be going over 5 crypto coins other than Bitcoin that may make waves in the near future. Keyword may make waves, because as you know, crypto can be very volatile and risky. So please invest by doing your own due diligence and not just taking my word for it. Now, Bitcoin has not only been a trendsetter, ushering in a wave of cryptocurrencies built on a decentralized peer network. It has also become the standard for cryptocurrencies, inspiring an ever-growing legion of followers and spin-offs. Because it isn't the only cryptocurrency available, looking into others and finding out which ones beside Bitcoins are doing well is essential. So here are some alternative cryptocurrencies that have held on through the steep price climbs and nosedives. Now, before taking a closer look at some of these alternatives to Bitcoin, let's step back and briefly examine what we mean by cryptocurrency and altcoin. A cryptocurrency, broadly defined, is virtual or digital money that takes the form of tokens or coins. The cryptocurrencies modeled after Bitcoin are collectively called altcoins, including Ethereum, and have sometimes tried to present themselves as modified or improved versions of Bitcoin. The most important feature is the commitment to remaining decentralized, which means designed to be free from government manipulation and control. So now that we are all on the same page, let's get right into it. The first and most popular Bitcoin alternative is Ethereum, ticker symbol ETH. Yes, I know many of you are thinking, how is Ethereum an altcoin? It is widely used. Remember, my awesome people, altcoin simply means a crypto that is not Bitcoin. So anything that is not Bitcoin is an altcoin. Ethereum is a decentralized software platform that enables smart contracts and decentralized applications to be built and run without downtime, fraud, control, or interference from a third party. The goal behind Ethereum is to create a decentralized suite of financial products that anyone in the world can freely access, regardless of nationality, ethnicity, or faith. This aspect makes the implications for people in some countries more compelling, because those without state infrastructure and state identification can get access to bank accounts, loans, insurance, or a variety of other financial products. Ethereum uses Ether, its platform-specific cryptographic token. Ether has maintained a second-place standing by market capitalization, following Bitcoin for years. Although it lags behind the dominant cryptocurrency by a significant margin, Ether's market cap of almost $350 billion is still less than Bitcoin's $2 trillion market cap. The second altcoin is Tether, ticker symbol USDT. It was one of the first and most popular of the stable coins. And for those that don't know, stable coins are alternative cryptocurrencies that aim to peg their market value to a currency to reduce volatility. Because most digital currencies, even major ones like Bitcoin, have experienced frequent periods of crazy dramatic volatility, Tether and other stable coins attempt to minimize it. It smooths out the price fluctuations to attract users who may otherwise be cautious. Tether's price is tied directly to the US dollar because the developers claim to hold $1 for every circulating USDT. This system allows users to more easily make transfers from other cryptocurrencies back to US dollars in a more timely manner than converting and going through all the other hassles. Tether is the third largest cryptocurrency by market cap, with a market cap of $145 billion. The third altcoin is Solana. Founded in 2017, Solana is a blockchain platform designed to support decentralized applications. Also referred to as the Ethereum killer, Solana performs many more transactions per second than Ethereum. Additionally, it charges lower transaction fees than Ethereum. Solana and Ethereum can utilize smart contracts, which are essential for running cutting-edge applications, including decentralized finance and non-fungible tokens, also known as NFTs. Remember those pictures that were going for thousands and even hundreds of thousands of dollars? Yeah, Good times, right? The cryptocurrency running on the Solana blockchain is called Solana, ticker symbol SOL. Since its inception, its price has risen tremendously. Solana has a market cap of over $100 billion, making it the 5th largest cryptocurrency by market cap. The 4th altcoin is XRP, which is a native token for the XRP ledger, which was created by Ripple in 2012 as a payment system. The XRP ledger uses a consensus mechanism called the XRP Ledger Consensus Protocol, which doesn't use proof of work or proof of stake for consensus and validation. Instead, client applications sign and send transactions to the ledger servers. The servers then compare the transactions and conclude whether they are candidates for entry into the ledger. The servers then send the transaction candidates to validators, who work to agree that the servers got the transaction right and record the ledger version. XRP has a market cap of about $140 billion. And the 5th and final altcoin is Dogecoin, ticker symbol DOGE. Seen by some as the original meme coin, caused a stir in 2021 as its price skyrocketed. The coin, which uses an image of Shiba Inu dog as its avatar and is accepted as a form of payment by some major companies, Dogecoin was created by 2 software engineers, Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer, in 2013. Marcus and Palmer reportedly created the coin as a joke, commenting on the wild speculation of the cryptocurrency market. And Dogecoin's market cap is about $40 billion, making it the 8th largest cryptocurrency. So Jacob Rant, are you buying altcoins or are you just a Bitcoin guy? Well, my awesome people, personally, I would say I am heavy in the altcoin scene. Not just the random coins popping up everywhere, but primarily Ethereum. I believe Ethereum is the most useful and utilized altcoin. Even Bitcoin doesn't do what Ethereum can do. Many people say to treat Bitcoin like gold, as a place to store your wealth. But because of its lack of utility, it could possibly just be that, a place to store your money. But Ethereum, on the other hand, actually has a utility and purpose. A whole digital ecosystem was created through Ethereum, from gaming to financials to applications, NFTs. The possibilities are endless. It is difficult to say which crypto will boom next because so many projects are being developed and market sentiments swing widely. Bitcoin is always in high demand because of the returns it has created in the past. And despite the thousands of competitors that have sprung up, Bitcoin, the original cryptocurrency, remains the dominant player in terms of economic value. None have matched its market cap and value so far. These alternative coins' purposes range from being a joke, like a meme coin, to a coin that pays for transactions on a distributed and global virtual machine. Where they will all end up is anyone's guess, but the years that have passed since they first appeared seems to suggest that they aren't going anywhere soon. Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe if this video gave you some value and any insight. Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe if this video gave you some value and insightful content. And remember, my awesome people, just like all the information that I mentioned in my videos, assess your risk appetite, always diversify, and please do your own due diligence, because I am just a clown on YouTube. Stay ranting.